Hello everyone, I hope you try this homemade cheese bread with pesto and I hope you enjoy this video. What we need for this recipe is 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 1.5 cups of warm water. After kneading the dough well, we cover and leave to rest for at least 4 hours. We divide the dough into 2 parts. We prepare the cheese filling by adding half a cup of goat cheese and around 300 grams of mozzarella cheese or any cheese of your preference. Spread around 1 tablespoon of homemade pesto and add the cheese filling and cover with the second layer of the dough. Spread with the egg wash. And sprinkle with sesame seeds. Then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Spread with melted butter and enjoy this delicious cheese bread while still warm, and see you next time with another video and another recipe.